Right now, the web design industry is changing faster than ever. If you're unprepared, your business is likely going to struggle. But if you're proactive about adjusting for the future, I believe you can earn more than ever before as a web designer. Now, if you want to maximize this time and this opportunity, the one thing you can't do is try to do it all on your own. You can't afford to make the same mistakes or to underprice your services. You can't afford to keep relying on inconsistent strategies to find new clients. And you definitely can't keep running your business without a clear niche and system in place. All of this is why we created Pait Pro, and now it's better than ever. So when you enroll, you instantly get access to all of my courses. This includes the Solo Agency Blueprint, Web Design Sales Mastery, and the Kickstarter series. It's also got hours of personalized trainings given by some of the most amazing designers in the world. Here in your dashboard, you have unlimited access to our resource library. This includes every template and checklist that you could ever need. This includes proposals, contracts, pricing systems, and more. You also get access to special member discounts only offered to Pait Pro members. So as a whole, this bundle contains the knowledge and resources to save you years of struggle and confusion. And it will put you on the right track to reach financial success as quickly as possible. Now, because I know that everybody's tired of subscriptions right now, you can now get lifetime access to everything for one single payment. This includes all future trainings, resources, and anything else that gets added to the bundle. Now, if you're still nervous about joining or you're not really sure if this is the right fit for you, I want to make it an absolute no-brainer. So we offer a 100% money-back guarantee so you can try everything out completely risk-free. If you're a student or have a unique financial situation, please reach out to me personally and I'll do my best to work with you. I'm excited for you to get in, start learning, using the resources, and seeing the success that you can achieve.